It's 2019 and if you're out and about to buy a new laptop, you no longer have to choose between portability and power. And while there are a lot of laptops to choose from, today we're going to take a look at a laptop that rides on AMD's Ryzen processor and some pleasing aesthetics to offer a package that is very attractive. Hey guys, it's Prasham here from EOTO Tech and today we're going to take a look at HP Envy XC60 powered by AMD's Ryzen processor. So let's get right into it. Take a first look at the laptop and you'll realize what I meant when I said pleasing aesthetics before. The Envy features an all-metal chassis and a swell design that's reminiscent of what's found on more expensive laptops. And while you might think the metal chassis would add weight, the laptop still weighs a mere 1.3 kilos. As the name suggests, the Envy XC60 is a convertible that goes all the way to become a tablet. Complementing the form factor is a FullHD 13.3-inch touchscreen-enabled display with support for HP Active Pen stylus and palm rejection. So be it work presentations or binge watching on Netflix, this laptop is flexible enough to accommodate various situations. And yes, if you're someone who consumes a lot of media, the Bang & Olufsen quad driver speaker will make you feel at home. Powering the laptop is an AMD Ryzen 5 2500U processor. This is a quad-core chipset based on a 14nm manufacturing process. It has a thermal design power of 15 watts, which means it will handle heat very well and won't burn your thighs. The processor has a base frequency of 2 GHz with a burst frequency of 3.6 GHz. Accompanying the AMD Ryzen 5 processor is AMD's Radeon Vega 8 graphics, an octa-core onboard GPU with Radeon FreeSync technology that ensures no screen stuttering or tearing in games and heavy applications. According to AMD, the Ryzen 5 2500U offers 22% better performance for content creation as compared to the Intel Core i5 8250U and a 23% improvement in system-level productivity as well. All in all, the processor is more than capable of handling most everyday tasks. The powerful combination of the CPU and the GPU is coupled with 8GB DDR4 RAM and a 256GB SSD that offers insanely fast transfer speeds. The laptop also hosts a variety of ports that should suit almost everyone's needs. There are two USB 3.1 ports, one USB 3.1 Type-C port, a 3.5mm audio jack for headsets, a round pin power port, and a microSD card slot. The Envy XC60 gets a full-size island-style backlit keyboard and a touchpad with support for multi-finger gestures. But what good is a laptop if it is a wall hugger? Fortunately, according to HP, the HP Envy XC60 lasts up to 12.5 hours on a single charge. And if you ever run out of juice, HP's fast charge will charge the laptop up to 50% in less than 45 minutes. The HP Envy X360 powered by AMD's Ryzen processor seems to be a formidable laptop for its price. The laptop is available at an MRP of INR 83,000 and can be purchased from Amazon and HP's site. If you're interested, you can check out the links in the description below. As usual, thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and stay subscribed to our channel for more such content. This is Prasham from EOTO. Thank you for watching.